Here's an African blue basil growing in a hydroponic, half-gallon mason jar. You can see I've been trimming this pretty regularly to develop a nice canopy going on. The reason I grow this, and I grow it in my grow tent all winter long, is that you can't actually grow these from seed. It has to be from cuttings. Now, the reason I like to keep one of these on hand all throughout the winter time is I start taking cuttings and I grow them in large pots eventually outside, and the bees and pollinators absolutely flock to the flowers. I mean, they love this plant like no other that I've seen. So I try to keep one going all winter long. You can see the structure here on how I keep trimming and growing a bigger and bigger canopy. But the fragrance that just comes off the leaves on this is just amazing. And I think that's part of what attracts all the pollinators to it. You can see that my roots aren't exactly perfect, but that's okay. The plant's doing all right. I just make sure that I change the nutrients every now and then so nothing starts getting rotted in there. You can also trim them back a little bit, but with the size of the canopy on there, I'm not risking doing that unless it's absolutely necessary. I've really had fun growing this one so far this year. It's been just the fragrance in my grow tent is amazing. And I've had fun with the trimming and its shaping and keeping all the flowers off of it. But this is something worth growing. If you can find one in a nursery, grow it and keep it going.